Ya confirma el portavoz del Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative, Ferdy Rodriguez, durante el press briefing na City Hall en antes aga, kay sigritos el cooperativa ya puede descubrir maga illegal koneksyon de kuryente na 13 para mga lugar. Según con Rodríguez, mes de enero este año cuando descubrí sila tiene ilegal conexión de corriente na Martha Drive, Santa Catalina. Y dentro de este mes de febrero, otro ilegal conexión de corriente, ella descubrí sila na barrio de Mampang y na Asinan Transitory Site. Y explica pa si Rodríguez pa que modo y hace con el ilegal conexión.
I'll be providing you some photos of our operation. Like for instance in Marta, Santa Catalina, as you can see in the screen, the round ring that we provided to protect our system was tampered with by unscrupulous person, wherein they cut our primary line to be able to climb the pole and to install illegal wire connection to several houses. This is located at Marta Drive, Santa Catalina. Then last February 14, we conduct our Mampang zoning operation. Here you can see they are using water pipes where they inserted the wire for illegal connection. Medyo tormento kami man-discover. Even our friends from media who accompanied us during our operation, they were surprised to see water pipes using for illegal connection. No? These are PVC pipes also. They are using PVC pipes and putting it underground. Next slide, please. These are some apprehended materials we apprehend during our operation. These are some water pipes they use and the wires that they are using for their illegal activities. No? As you can see, those are illegal wires that we apprehended. Next, on the Asinan Transitory Site, we conducted our operation last February 21. As you can see, Akel wire, pointing arrow, illegal connection, serving ng mga kasa alin na transitory site. These are some illegal connection being tapped to those member consumers who are legitimate consumers. There are some illegal connectors doing some activities by tapping the wire of those legitimate member consumers of Samsalco. That's why some are complaining in our office, telling that why you see their consumption went up.
Pero mediante con este habla si Rodríguez kay hindi con todo el maga-envuelto na illegal trabajo el ya puede planta cargo el cooperativa. Por causa kay no hay puede conocer cuántos kanila. Según pa con Rodríguez na 3 maga-insidente de illegal conexión de corriente, solamente el namampang lang el ya puede identificar el cooperativa con el maga-envuelto. Ina proseso según aro el cooperativa para planta con estos el propio castigo.
Right now, si Akel hindi kami pwede man-apprehend, just like Los Demás, kung pwede kami man-pinpoint kay disconnected yung wire. Pero kung aquellos kaya pwede kami man-apprehend, siya yung corresponding penalties. And we are providing them, akatagam kami COU, Certificate of Undertakings wherein specify ang cost ng mga penalties kay man-settle sila. So, pwede sila man-settle or if they will not settle mga penalties, then we will pursue el case.
Según pa con Rodríguez, tormenta identifica el cooperativa con el maga-responsable na illegal conexión por causa kay cada vez sila liega na lugar y acaba desconecta con el conexión. Un indikasyon según kay tiene el quien informa o dale tip con el maga-envuelto na illegal trabajo acerca la operasyon del cooperativa kontra kanila. Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.